Good afternoon, Lorraine here. Thank you for joining me for this show and tell, this flip through of this folio that I've made. I've been following a tutorial of Tonia Samuels, and it's been a very good tutorial. The video is broken down into sections, so I think there's 6 videos to watch on how to do this. So it's easier because it's in chunk size bites. So I just thought I'd come on and show you my version of this folio that I've made. It's an envelope folio, so you're using envelopes for the cover and some of the bits inside as well. So there it is. It looks very sweet. I can't remember all the papers I've used. Where I can, I'll mention them, but where I can't, I'll try and remember or try and link them below in the description box, because I've used so many and some of them I've had in my stash for quite a while. I know that a lot of the pages that I'm using are the collage papers from Artemis, Andrea Allen's pages, so they're really good for this project. So thank you, Andrea, because most of them, if not all of them that I've used, are from her freebies section that she has on her Ko-fi shop. So it's fastened together with this piece of silk that's recycled silk from, I'm going to take that off but not now, recycled silk from an old blouse that I had. So lots of the things that I've used are recycled pieces of cardboard or papers and things like that. So it's a good way of using up things rather than filling landfill. So this is the front cover, and this is detachable. It just tucks into this little pocket here, and it flips open this way so that you can have something tucked behind. I haven't got anything with me to tuck. Let me find something so that I can show you where the tuck spots are. I'll just use this piece of cloth. So this is a tuck spot so that you can put things behind there. Over the front page is, where is it? Here it is. Again, this acetate window is a pocket, so you can put something behind there as well. It opens up, and on this side is a pocket here. Here is a towel pocket on that side. The bit that's the flap that fits into the front cover. So quite useful, and lots of pockets on there. I'll put that over there and it's out of the way for now. So then you open up the folio. I am I'm trying to remain in, because it's so long. I'm not sure if my camera is wide enough for this. So this little section here is just fastened with this voile ribbon. The front of this is again a tuck spot in there. It opens here. This flap is held down with a button and some string. It's a flap, and inside this flap, sorry, I'm at the wrong angle, is another little tuck spot. Here's a belly band on this part. This opens and you've got journal space there, and another pocket here. This side again, another tuck spot on there. Goes there, so you could fit something inside that, and it's quite a wide pocket. Over here again, another pocket there. And then this is again another flap where you can tuck something behind there for storage. There's journal space on there, and here is a pocket. So I won't fix them all together. Then this opens. I've shown everything I've done. Yeah, this opens. Again, journal space here. This is from Line Dot Arrow. I've just remembered where this is from. Line Dot Arrow. This is a removable pocket. Again, some more journal space from Line Dot Arrow. This is another one of Artemise's collage, and on this there's a pocket here. So nice little storage space. It opens up. This is Monarch Prints. Yep. And inside is a notepad with some, it's like handmade paper inside of there. It is detachable. You can unfasten that and refill the pages as and when you need to. Beautiful collage papers from Andrea. So that just sits in there. We'll go through this in a little while. Here on this side, let me find where these go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I knew I'd get myself in a tussle with these. It won't come. Where's this? Right, it's got all twisted in behind, that's why. There we go. It don't want to come off, does it? Come. Sorry about this. I'm going to have to redo it, I think. I'm going to have to redo this. There. Yeah, I'll put new string on there as well. I'd got myself in a twist there. So this is a pocket, a large pocket. So lots of space for storing lots of things in there. It flips over, and on this side is a large tuck spot, so you can fit lots of different things in there. Here is a pocket, lots of journaling space on there. You could decorate the front of this pocket if you choose. It's just clipped in because it's removable. Again, journaling space on the back, and behind, journaling space on there. This paper is from Tracy Fox, and again from Monarch Prints underneath there. These again are Andrea's Artemise, collage papers. So that's that one. This opens, this is the back cover, and inside of there is again a large tuck spot inside of there. So loads and loads and loads of little places. And here is a removable blank journal. I haven't put any ephemera, any pockets, any tuck spots. I've put nothing inside it. This again is Artemise, and it's from Dragonfly Dreams, I think it's called. It's not one of her newer ones, it's one of her older kits, but I use it again and again. It's beautiful. The images on it and the colours are so nice. The spine I've covered with some fabric to strengthen it and hide behind all the workings of the journal. So that's it. How lovely is that? I've covered this spine again with fabric. It's got a plain calico covering all of it, but onto the calico I've stitched strips of the fabric, and it strengthens because this is just an envelope, and you wouldn't think, because it's quite a sturdy cover. So that's it. That's my folio completed. It will be going into my shop. I think I might just put it on the Facebook group first before I put it into Etsy. So if you haven't had a look, I've got a Facebook page, Handcrafted by Lorraine, where I put my things on. This video will go on there, and anything that's for sale I will advertise on there, and then maybe I'll put it into Etsy. I'm having a bit of a rethink about Etsy at the moment, so we'll see how that goes. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, because I love to see what your thoughts are about it. If you've seen it and think I could have improved it by doing whatever, let me know, because I will make another one. I've so enjoyed doing it. So have a blessed day, enjoy whatever life throws at you today, and stay safe. Bye.